Thanks for joining me. My name is Leslie Cruz and I'm a realtor here in Santa Cruz County. Super thrilled to show you my latest listing here on the west side. This is 353 Alamo Avenue. Cruz, you want to show them the rest? Let's go. Ready to see inside? Come on in. The owner has taken great care in refinishing the countertops and gave it a nice industrial finish with concrete countertops and satin finish concrete walls, gray flooring throughout. This is a 1971 home, 2-story, close to 1,600 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, gray flooring throughout. Upstairs are all the living areas, wall-to-wall carpet. The master bedroom has a lovely master ensuite with 2 closets. The master ensuite bathroom has recently been renovated with lovely gray tile throughout and a stand-up shower stall. Outside we have a great surfer shower. And for those eco-friendly people out there, we have solar panels for an extra boost of energy. All right, so what did you guys think? If you or someone you know is interested in this home, contact me. All my info will be at the end of this film. Thank you so much for your time. Gotta go.